Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I am going to review these Govee and Neon rope lights. So yeah, first let's unbox them. In the box we get some instruction manuals, some tips on how to mount them, I suppose, and some, I don't know what this is, but welcome card. And here we have something heavy, probably lights or maybe some batteries. In here we have the neon lights, it's just LED lights. Yeah, you can place this on the wall as well. This is the power connector that you plug into the wall to get power to the whole thing. And in here we have a bunch of mounting brackets. So yeah, let's install them and see how it actually looks. Okay, what you first want to do is clean off the wall where you want to have the rope or the LED strip at. So I was thinking of having it on this wall right here, maybe going over here also. I'm not really sure yet, but let's clean it off first. Okay, now I have mounted all the strips. As you can see, I'm just going to plug it in now and see how it looks like. Yeah, and that is how the strips look. And you can, I think, actually remove the adhesive. It's not that sticky, and then you can actually remake the whole print if you want to. But this is just what I try to do right now. So yeah, and it does actually have a phone app too that I'm going to download now and try it out. To pair these, you have to do this. Now on the app you can control things like the warmth of the color, control the color, you can even make different scenes like the sunrise. And you can choose where it should go and how it should move. So it can go up, it can go down, you can move from left to right and also meet in the middle. It has some music mode also that you can choose when you're listening to music, so it moves with your music. Bum. Bum. Let's say play some music. And you can choose between different modes when you're listening to music. Hello, let's try this one. And the reason I'm pointing my microphone towards this is because this is where the music, where the microphone is, and my speakers are to the right. Here is my breaker and my speaker setup, so the device will actually hear what I'm playing. bunch of different modes, as you can see. Let's try this. As you can see, it follows the volume of the music. Right now I'm speaking, so it's not as loud as the music, and I'm quite far away from the microphone. But yeah, it just listens to your voice, and you can also choose so it listens to your phone. So let me try that. Hello, hello, and you can talk into your phone microphone if your speaker is closer to your phone. Let's try a different scene. For some scenes you can choose how fast they go. And you can obviously rearrange these neon lights however you want. I just tried this for now to see how it looks like. But I can change it later on if I want to, because you get a lot of adhesive strips with it. This is what I have left. So you can just put them on the wall if I wanted more over there or somewhere else. So it's really cool actually, and comes with a lot of different possibilities. And here you can see a lot of scenes that it includes. And the app is really easy to set up. All you need to do is take a photo of your where your neon strip is, and then the app recognizes how to do the scenes and stuff, and that's how it works. Let's try the fire. The fire spreads upwards, so do it upwards. As you can see, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, there are a bunch of different scenes that you can choose between. I don't know what this is. And the music one is really cool. You can also choose the sensitivity, of course, on the music one. Sensitivity up and down, and it will react more or less with your sound or music. And you can create even your own. There's a bunch of different stuff. Let's try to draw something here. I don't know what that was. To dream, believe in strength, now I'm the only one. Only one. And yeah, there's really a lot of things that you can choose between. And this is actually really bright because it is still sunny outside, and I have my blinds open so you can see. This is how it looks like in the day, so it is really bright light. Imagine how it would look like at night. And then you can just choose monotone colors if you don't want to have it moving all the time. This is supposed to be like a snake that moves around. And yeah, this is just a grading. Yeah, so those are some different options that you can choose between. And well, would I recommend you to buy this? Well, it is quite expensive at $90 for 16.4 feet or 5 meters, or 90 euros rather. So it is on the more expensive side, and you only get 5 meters, while you can get some LED strips that are 10 meters for half the price, but they may don't have the same features as this Govee neon strip. But some cool things about this is that it can move, as I said, the music and all of that, as I showed you. And I mean, it's not the most expensive. You can find more expensive than this. And another good thing is that because this is supposed to be neon, it's not really neon, it's just a LED strip within a kind of cover that makes it so the light gets more dispersed, I suppose, instead of just being regular light bulbs like other LED strips. You doesn't have to buy covers for the LED because this already has covers for it, and it is pretty cool, not gonna lie. Looking at it in real life is probably even more cool than what it is to look for you on the screen. But yeah, so to summarize, I would recommend this if you have $90 to spare, or maybe want a cool LED light that has a bunch of different features and comes with a really easy to use app. This app is just the Govee Home app, and it connects via Wi-Fi to your LED strip, and it's working really great. So yeah, if you have $90 to spare, I would recommend you to buy this. And if you like LED strips, it's really cool, one of the best that I have tried. But if it's too much money, then I would recommend maybe some other LED strips from Govee that aren't covered like this. Those are a little bit cheaper, and you can get 5 meters for around half the price of this one. But then you won't get the covered LED effect as this gives you, which is pretty cool. Buy it if you have $90 to spare on LED strips. Don't buy it if you can't afford it, because it is quite a lot. But yeah. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel down below. Well, otherwise, I hope I see you in the next one, and bye.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.